We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.